What is going on, y'all? Today is a special day. I'm going to be diving into my Amazon affiliate account and see what y'all been looking at and purchasing with my affiliate code. So let's go ahead and get started on Take Radio! So play that awesome intro video! I just wanted to help promote my affiliate store a little bit here with a quick little video to look over what y'all been buying and to just put it out there. Yes, I have an affiliate store of Amazon. This affiliate store is where you find a lot of my kits I put together that I am actively using with items I have on Amazon. We can go ahead and scroll down a little bit here. And here's the kits that I've been actively using, and let's go ahead and look at the POTA kit here. This is the power cord for USB-C to charge my Surface on. The Rig Expert, you can also get that over at Gigaparts. Some Biolento batteries, which the Gigaparts doesn't sell. And G90 and, this table, we're going to talk about it more later. And some, for the antenna end-fed build. These are these connectors I use for the linked dipole to link it all together, and the wire I use for the cable. Very, very nice. But the storefront's Tank Radio. Let's go ahead and dive into what y'all been buying. Also, I'm going to put all the links to the items I like below. Also, a link to my storefront is below. So if you go through my storefront, then buy anything else, it's going to credit me and help support the channel. So I would really do appreciate that if y'all done it in the past or you're going to do it in the future now. Thank you. First up on our list, this is the camping table. I love this camping table. I have used it several times on POTA activations when I cannot find a table to set up at. I also have some chairs, but I don't think the chairs are on Amazon. But this table folds up beautifully for a car, and it just goes down to a nice pack, and it's only on sale right now for $44. Oh, I love this table. Oh, they have a couple other colors and styles. I like the metal one. I want to put everything on top, no mesh to stretch out or anything. I love it. I can't rant and rave enough. I'm not just saying this. I love this table. I bought this table. Awesome table. Next tab. These are the connectors I use for my link dipole. They are crimp connectors. They're insulated. I might buy the special crimper for these. I have just a generic crimper that can do insulated ones. I really like these connectors so far. I just used them today, and a great buy. Next tab. Welters. I eat these too much at work. Yeah, they're not keto friendly and they're hard to stop. Yeah, not my buy, but it's still good. Next tab. Ooh, tent poles. You can use these for an antenna if you want to. I like that. It looks like they stack together without the retention bungee cable. You just slide them together and looks like you can make it as long as you want. Ooh, that's a nice find. I might put this on my list of things to buy later and try out. It's only $33. This one will be in my links below, but this is Unigear tent pole telescopic set. Nice. Next tab. These are the Velcro cables, a pack of 50 Velcro reusable fasteners for cable management. That was a good buy. I've used these in the past. I haven't bought them. I like what they do. That's a good find. Next tab. Here is the 20 gauge wire I use for my 40 meter linked dipole. I really like this wire. If you're going to buy this wire, I go with yellow if you're in a park. They also have red wire, 20 gauge. That might be my next buy when I'm in a park. I want a antenna that is so vibrantly there that you can't walk in it. And it's guaranteed someone will walk in it. It didn't happen last activation where I had the yellow antenna wire up, but it's guaranteed to happen. But this VN Tech Go wire, very nice wire. This is 100 foot for $13. Very flexible, great to wind up on a kit. Highly recommend. This will be in the description. Next tab. Ooh, wipes and hand sanitizer. Yeah, it's just that time of year. Flu's going around. I could get behind this. Goodbye. Next tab. USB cabling. Okay. This Amazon Basics USB 2 cable for macro. It's that connector. There it is, macro. Don't know what uses macro anymore, but It's still out there. Next tab. Ooh, USB, more macro cables. Oh, USB-C? Oh, this is an adapter. I see what's going on here. This is a regular USB cable that splits off into the macro USB-C and then the lightning cable. Oh, this will be good to have if you are in the car and you have multiple different phones, or on a POTA if you plug that in and then you can charge whatever device that you have, a camera, your phone, or a something or other. I can endorse this. I'll put this in the link description below. $13. Pack of two 6-foots of these. That's a good find. Okay, this is endorsed. Tank Radio endorsed. I need a graphic. Haven't bought it yet, but I could get behind that. Next tab. Ooh, a backpack. Someone going after my heart here. I am a backpack collector. So let's look at this and see what features it has. A 60-liter backpack? 60 to 105-liter backpack. So it's expandable somehow. Dark green. I like dark green, but it's an integrated. It's not a external skeleton. It's an integrated skeleton. Look at the mesh, the hips, all that foam around the hips to get your weight off your shoulders and back. I really do like this. $150. I'm rounding up a little bit here. I could get into this backpack. It looks beautiful. Oh, they have several different sizes. I could get behind that. I like it. Oh, I wonder if the shoulder straps are adjustable. Yes. So these shoulder straps are adjustable. Let me transition here. So you can, I'll probably overlay this. You can pull these shoulder straps up to get it better. Adjustments on the shoulder strap. I really do like that. That's a key feature in high-end backpacks. You don't see them unless it's a good high-end backpack. But I approve. I can get behind this backpack. Next tab. Ooh, a waterproof multifunction outdoor tent. This looks like to be one of the tents that the gentleman had at the Go Kick Challenge. Oh, I like this. I like this. How much? $40? That's not bad. It comes with some stakes, some ties, the enclosures for it, and oh, very, very nice. Multi-use there, and you have several different colors. You got the olive color, camo, blue. Ooh, I like some blue. Black. I like black too. I like black too. Let's get some vibrant colors. Like that could be useful for a rescue situation. If you had like bright red or orange that can be seen far, it can go into a go kit so you can use to flag people's attention. If that's not what you're going for, there's other colors that help you blend in. I know I could get behind this. I like this. I like this idea. I need some graphics. I need to pay someone for some graphics. Next tab. Ooh, some 100-foot cable. RGAX cable, 50 ohms. Okay, Amazon choice. All right, so rolling the dice. I don't know. Mike said he had some successes with the Amazon cables. I'm not going to endorse this. I'm hesitant on this. If you did buy this, let me know how it went. It's just I need to know the name of the cables. We are protective of our cabling because that's where all the losses can happen in your cables. So I'm a little hesitant. Next tab. Ooh, 12-volt LED interior light bars. Oh, these are run off a DC 12 volts. Oh, I like that. It has a on and off switch too. Oh, this is a nice find. Ah, I like this idea. I can't fully endorse it because I don't know much about it, but I like it. I like it. And $11. Ooh, that is very tempting. Very tempting to put in the cart for $11. This will be good for if you're out in POTA. You can put these up to illuminate a table or integrate them to a canopy or something, or into a trailer or an RV. Okay. Next tab. USB-C cabling. I'm about to buy some more USB-C cables for charging myself. A random Amazon name. $12 for a pack of 2 for 3 foot. Nice find. It's a nice find. I think that's gonna be it for now. Thank you to everyone who did buy these items through my Amazon store. You don't have to purchase the items I put on my store. Just go to my store and you'll be associated for 24 hours. And anything you buy will be affiliated to me, and that means I'm gonna get a little cut back from the sale, and it will help me support this channel. And to all my supporters through Patreon and YouTube memberships, thank y'all. I really do appreciate it. And to everyone else out there, or all my supporters and everyone else out there, go forth and conquer.